Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video I will show you the solution to the integration of x to the power 4 plus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. But before I do so, if you guys like this solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video. The first step we are going to do is we are going to transform this fraction. The reason is because the order of polynomial in the numerator is higher than the order of polynomial in the denominator, which means that this itself is an improper fraction, and in order to simplify it, we first need to perform long division and taking x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. So this is my divisor. The first step we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this x to the power 4. To do so, we multiply x squared plus 1 by x squared, in which we get x to the power 4 plus x squared. This will be negative x squared plus 1. Next, what do we do is that we need to get rid of this minus x squared. We multiply x squared plus 1 by negative of 1. So this gives me negative of x squared minus 1. And this x squared will be gone, so we have just basically 2. So 2 is the remainder, x squared minus 1 is the quotient, and x squared plus 1 is the divisor. And hence we can move on to the next step, expressing x to the power 4 plus 1 over x squared plus 1 into the following. We have the integral of x squared minus 1 plus 2 over x squared plus 1, the whole thing dx. For this part, we can split it up into 3 different integrals. The first integral will be the integral of x squared dx. The second integral will be the integral of 1 dx. And the last integral will be the integral of 2 times 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And from here, we can proceed to evaluate the first 2 integrals. The integral of x squared dx is x cubed over 3. And the integral of 1 dx is basically just x. And we leave at the moment the third integral as it is. And of course, after we evaluate the indefinite integral, we have to have a constant behind. Let's call it C2. How do we go about doing the integration of 1 over x squared? We can perform integration by substitution. We let x be equals to the tangent u, in which if I were to differentiate x with respect to u, I get secant square u. Multiplying both sides by du, I get dx is equals to secant square u du. So the next step I will do is I will transform this whole integral into expressing in terms of u. So my x squared becomes tangent square u. My dx becomes secant square u du. Based on the trigonometry identity of Pythagorean theorem, that my tangent square u plus 1 is equals to secant square u. And I have the following. Basically, this whole integral can be simplified as just the integral of 1 du. And the integral of 1 is basically just u plus c, and substituting u as tangent inverse x, because from here we can express u in terms of x, we get tangent inverse x. So hence the final answer is tangent inverse x plus c. So applying this solution to my problem down here, I will get the following. The final answer of the integration of x to the power 4 plus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx is x cubed minus 3 minus x plus 2 tangent inverse x plus c. If you guys like the solution, let me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more integration problems. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.